Hello, my name is Sanjeev. I am a technical evangelist at Microsoft. Today, I am introducing the Facebook C# SDK, which provides Facebook integration for Windows Phone and Windows 8 style applications. It is an open source project with some contributions from Microsoft employees and is licensed under the Apache license. This SDK integrates with C# and XAML based Windows Phone and Windows 8 applications. It provides an easy way to log in with Facebook. It has built-in support for Open Graph actions, including allowing parsing of JSON to C# dictionaries without writing any custom deserialization classes. It also has built-in support for SQL queries. Let me now demonstrate how to build a very simple application using this SDK. Let us start by creating a new project in Visual Studio by invoking File, New, Project, and giving it the name My Facebook. Once that is done, we will bring the Facebook SDK into the project. In order to do this, we hit Tools, Library Package Manager, and Package Manager Console. This will invoke the Package Manager Console. Here, we can just type install package Facebook, and this will bring in the Facebook SDK into the Visual Studio project and also add it to the set of references. Once this is done, we add a variable to hold the access token in app.xaml.cs, which makes it available everywhere in the project. So here we add the variable. We will now define the following two variables in code behind for mainpage.xaml.cs to hold the user permissions we require to interact with Facebook on behalf of the user. Additionally, we create the Facebook client class that the app needs to use the SDK. To resolve the symbols, right-click on Facebook client, go up to the Resolve submenu, and then select the first option using Facebook. This will resolve all the missing dependencies. Then we will add a button to mainpage.xaml that the user can click to log in with Facebook. After we have the button, we will add the event handler for the login button. This is just a bit of boilerplate code that uses the built-in web authentication broker in Windows 8 to show the Facebook login UI. Once authentication is successful, it navigates us to another page called landing page, where we will display the user's picture. Let's add the final page, the landing page, to our project by right-clicking on the project, selecting Add, New Item, and then selecting a basic page, which is a type of page that comes with built-in navigation support. Let's call it landing page and hit Add. It will prompt us to add other files to resolve all dependencies. Say yes, and it will happily add all the dependencies. Once the landing page has been added, let us now add user controls to hold the user's picture and name. We insert the following snippet, which does both. Also, let's change the name of the page from My Application to My Facebook Details. As soon as the landing page is loaded, we want to fetch user's basic profile, which can be done by adding the following snippet. This snippet makes an Open Graph API call to get the user's profile data and attaches it to the controls we just added to the UI. Let's resolve the missing symbols just like before. And we are ready to finally invoke the load user info as soon as the page is loaded to finish the scenario. So this snippet contains the load user info function, which will finally load up the user details into the page. We are now ready to execute the application in the simulator by hitting the simulator button, which will start the application in the simulator. Hit the login with Facebook button and you will be presented with the Facebook login UI. Once you have logged in, you will be seeing the basic permissions dialog that is posed in front of you to grant the application permissions to read your public profile. Hit OK, and you will be taken to the page which shows your picture and username. For more information and resources, visit the website facebooksdk.net. You will also find tutorials for Windows 8 and Windows Phone there. Source code for the project is hosted on GitHub, where you can log any bugs. You can also further engage on the SDK's Facebook page and get support on the Stack Overflow forum for the SDK. I hope this makes integrating your application with Facebook a lot simpler. Happy coding!